anti-corruption body also found that the circumstances which gave rise to the award of one contract to Market Me for $15.81 million based on an unsolicited proposal as a serious irregularity. On the point of conflicts of interest, the IC says it found no evidence that the Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, was directly involved in the award of contracts to Market Me in the amount of $15.8 million. But according to the Commission, Dr. Tufton's actions could reasonably be considered to have indirectly influenced the engagement of Market Me. Regarding the attendance by Lindsay McDonough at a meeting of the Board of the National Health Fund, NHF, the Commission found that her presence was inappropriate and irregular. This as the meeting discussed the funding for an unsolicited proposal submitted by McDonough to the Health Ministry. In her defense, McDonough told the IC that the issue was never included on the formal agenda for the meeting, and that when the matter came up for discussion, she made no comment or contribution to the deliberations. Siobhan Campbell for Nationwide News.
Meanwhile, former Permanent Secretary in the Health Ministry Dunstan Bryan has pushed back on a suggestion by the Integrity Commission that contracts awarded to Market Me appear to have been splintered. Mahiri Stewart has that side of the story.